So, the launch of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 might not be far away, as the device has now been spotted in a hands-on video. The video has shared by a retailer in Malaysia, which means this is the official design, and this is what you're going to get when it is launched. The Pocket 4 is set to get some major upgrades over the Pocket 3. The hands-on images show an LED floodlight above the camera. It appears to be movable via two hinges, one behind the LED light itself and another at the bottom of its arm, giving users flexibility to aim the light as needed. The Pocket 4 has more physical buttons and controls than the Pocket 3, which may point to improved handling and easier access to functions while filming. The Pocket May 4th also borrow the Super Photo Camera mode, a feature which made famous by GoPro. So, similar to its competitor, we can expect this feature to likely use scene analysis and intelligent image processing to optimize shots automatically, a feature often found in action cameras. This new feature could be targeting vloggers and content creators who need portable recording gear. Those who want a bigger battery on the Pocket 4 might be in luck, because the recent FCC listing revealed a 1,545 mAh battery, which DJI might advertise as a 1,600 mAh. That's roughly an 18% jump over the Pocket 3's 1,300 mAh pack. As for the launch, rumors suggest the Pocket 4 could make its debut this spring, followed by the Pro variant later spring or in early summer. So what's your thought on this? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.